Hi guys! So this is my planner bag basically. It's one of the Hobonichi drawer pouches that they came out with earlier this year. This is the Peacock version. I love it and I'll show you what I've got inside. Let's start at the top. I talked about this in my video yesterday. This is the Hobonichi photograph case thingy with stickers inside still. I've got the yellow planner stencil from the Hobonichi. This works really well. These lines align with the week's daily view. Book darts, very simply. Then, check if you can easily see it. Here are compartments. They fit really well for more stencils, so I've got the whole set in here. Then some business cards. There's 2 more slots that I'm not using. Then the middle pocket, which keeps my it's getting worse. I really need a new one. Because this one breaks so easily, I normally put it in the middle, but it's really starting to break. Which is too bad because I use it a lot. Then I've got some small washi in here. I'm trying to see different angles so I know what's going on in the video. And more stickers. And up here we've got the Mildliners in 2 sets. Yeah. Hobonichi pen 2018. Some micron pens on that side. Come on, go in. The Magix highlighter with the special tip on this side, which you can see through. A mechanical pencil, really old one, and a pair of scissors from Magix. It's really handy for the washi tape and stuff, and just keeping it with me. And that's what I've got in my bag. A fairly simple setup, easy to take with me, and it just goes up. And